I was out here, working on this motor, just cleaning it up and checking things out, and a guy pulls up in his van and says, "Hey, do you buy Chrysler or Chrysler related like manuals and such?" And he shows me this, and I said, "Well, yeah, of course I do." He says, "How about 10 bucks?" I said, "Okay." And he said, "Well, I got the motor too, and if you give me 20 bucks, I got the tank and everything." So I said, "Well, let me see it." So he opens up the van and he shows me this, and yeah, 20 bucks. Everything's here. The recoil works. That's $100 spring. That recoil spring, $100 spring, and it works. It's called the Sea King 6 Special. It doesn't have a twist grip. You pull here for throttle. Other than that, it's the same as the late 60s and early 70s low profile models that Chrysler was marketing at the time. It's the first time I've seen one of these without the twist grip. But yeah, you can't beat the price on that. This baby just purrs like a kitten. So I think it's 19, I'm guessing it's either a 72 or, well, it's probably a 73 that was printed in September of 73. It's getting awful windy out here. Everything's the same as a 6-horse Chrysler. It's just like it says, you pull that lever to get you throttle, but everything else will be the same as the Chrysler. And that is the original fuel tank. That's the first time I've ever seen that kind of fuel tank with a Chrysler. I've seen them before with the Clintons. No, not Bill and Hillary either. Alright, so I guess got much to do this evening. It's about 7 o'clock here in Michigan, so I think I'll move this one over to the wheeled cart and put this one in the tub and get her going. Thanks for watching.